Man, this is tall. This is scary. Whoa! Way overshotted that. Oh my god. See if we can whip around and hit this second jump. It is so grown back here. Oh. Whoo, it's scary. Oh, bumps. Tall. Chris, I don't even know what I'm driving through. Yeah, I definitely need to re-clear out those trails. Oh. I got some tag-alongs. Oh. Man, it's a hot one. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the Moto vlog. Haven't been recording lately. Been pretty busy. Been working again finally. So I haven't much free time. It's the 5th of July, so yesterday I was out on the lake partying. You know how it goes the day after the 4th. You kind of just try to survive. So I'm just hanging out at the house, swimming in the pool, sitting in the AC. Oh, trying to survive, and I decided to do a little cruise on the bike. Maybe do a little hill climbs and stuff. Man, everything's overgrown. The river's all algaed up. Haven't been back here in a while. Let's try this hill climb. Oh, I mean, nothing too intense. Guys think I can do that log pile right now? It's pretty messed up the way it is. Our mobiles is a frog bed. Let's see. This looks pretty rough, to be honest. About to find out. Oh! Oh! If that log was in the way, would have been smooth, but I made it over. Oh. But yeah, like I said, I was out on the lake yesterday. I got a jet ski I've been messing around with. It's been pretty fun with all this heat. Playing out on the water all day, so that's what's been keeping me busy on my free time. Oh, stump. That hill's not too bad either. Let's try this one next to it. Oh, I stalled. Woo! I don't know what's going on. I had the gas semi shut off and I was doing wheelies, so who knows. Ugh. See if I can get up this crazy hill. Jesus! Come on! Here we go. I suck. Get it! Oh no! She ball again? What is going on here? She doesn't like the abuse. Come on, baby. You got this. See if I can stand up the whole time up this hill. Nope. Jesus. That was almost bad. It still could almost be bad. I gotta go in this trench. Oh no. She just doesn't want to stay idling today, I guess. Ugh. Oh man. I'm not doing so good. Let's try that hill again. Ooh. Ooh. Try it sitting down. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, come on. Oh. I don't know why she's bogging. She's usually not bogging like that. Maybe she'll rip her through the yard. Ooh, we bottomed out the suspension. Woo! Hit the brake too hard, almost slipped out. It's dry out today. It's been dry out the last few days. It's been hot. Hot. It's been like 90s. That's warm for Michigan weather. Alright. Get them shakes out. Let's see. Oh. Not off to a good start. Oh. There we go. Whoa. There's roots and everything. You don't get to see them with all this tall grass. So you just kind of send it. You just go for it. Jumping over logs and stuff. All my paths are gone. I haven't been back out here in a while. Oh man. This path's still here a little bit. Mud pit. Looks like it's dried up. Oh, I shouldn't have shifted. Why did I do that? Whoa, these are all thorns. Whew. There's actually a shell, the other jet ski I'm gonna be working on too. So go check out the pit. I don't know if you go and check out Gumpy and the Boys YouTube channel. You can see my Toyota at the end of the rebuild video going through that. Oh, you can see the trenches from, oh geez. What's the easiest way to get back there? I'm gonna go this way. May not be the easiest way. Whoa, but it's a way. Oh my God. Look at that. The trenches and stuff. I wonder how muddy that is. Let's check it out. Is it muddy at all? This was full of water a couple months ago. Oh, it's pretty soft. You can see the trenches of the trucks trying to get through here.
Oh, he is eating.
Someone lost a part, I guess. I don't know. It's not from any of our trucks. Oh. Man, Todd, I might have to jump in my pool. Oh, even in the shade, it's warm. I got them sweats. Oh, stick. I would drive through that, but shouldn't. No, it's a good idea. Oh, that's kind of sketch. Crossbow bolt, just chilling. To be honest, it's probably mine. Oh man, I can't drive over the sticks going that way. Yeah. Tall grass. Woo-wee. She's bogging. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why I go that way. Man, I just suck at wheelies. Oh no, my brakes are squealing. I need to just hold on that gas and not be afraid. And then I tip. But yeah, like I said, I'm back to work, so I don't have as much free time on my hands. So I don't know when I can get to videos, but whenever I get free time and I'm messing around, I'll be sure to record and whatnot so that I can get some footage for some videos. Skirt. It's nice in the shade. Ooh. Oh boy. Let's just flip it. Have the mind to flip it. See? You just gotta not care to flip it, and you can do some wheelies if you don't have a float for a carb, because they like to bog out on you, and it sucks. Mindset to flip. Mindset to flip. Not sideways though. I'm gonna flip backwards. Don't want to flip sideways. Oh, look at the Yoder. The toy Yoder. Whew, that pool's looking better and better every second. Even though it's a little pool, it's nice and cold. It's perfect. Perfect to cool off real quick on a nice hot day. I shouldn't do that. I should just hold her steady, hold it. But I just, for some reason, just doing wheelie after wheelie, man. Practically. Whoa, the birds! You guys see the birds? I saw shadows. I was like, whoa, what's flying over me? Let's try a circle wheelie. You just shut that gas off and you're good. Oh, keep your feet on, man. Keep your feet on. Man, I'm gonna try to get in the flat spot. Maybe that'll help. Oh, definitely need to practice it. Oh, I guess I lean too much. Once I start getting it to go in the circle, it just wants to drop. Oh, too much. Woo, breaking a sweat. Just trying to wheelie, have some fun. Dang it. I'm gonna just try to send it right away into the circle, see what that does for me. It helped out a little bit, but it's hard to keep it up. Like I said, I think it's that steady gas. Oh, woo, breaking off so what? Woo. Dang, that sounded terrible. Man. Ooh, that breeze feels good. Alright, one more wheelie try, and then it's pool time. Oh, I put my feet down because I thought I was gonna go over. Oh. All right. Bye, guys. I think it's time to hop in that pool. Do it. Until next time, peace.